What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. Well, I'm back with another video today, man, and let me start off first by saying thank you. Thank you to each and every person that has supported me on this channel. 14 months ago, I decided to transition to YouTube from an audio podcast, and I honestly didn't know how it would go. And I am happy to announce that I finally reached my watch time hours goal, man. We in the building, man. So now you're gonna see us create some memberships, man. You're gonna see me going live on this channel. You're gonna see me do a lot of different things, man. And I would encourage you, if you really do enjoy this channel for what it is, and you really do like my content, join, man. Show some love, man. I really appreciate you guys. I haven't dropped a video in 2 weeks, and I'm gonna be honest, the reason I haven't dropped a video in 2 weeks is just clearly June is a month that's dedicated to mental health for men. And I think that it's very important for us to really make sure that we take care of our mental health. I grew up in an era where mental health wasn't talked about, where if it was talked about, it was talked about in a different way. Let's just say that. I'm not gonna go into too much detail, but I took a 2-week break from YouTube, 2-week break from a lot of things that I had going on, man, because we had a lot going on. And, my son graduating and him, wanting to do his own thing and kind of navigating through all of that. And we're still navigating through it. And so there's been some challenges. And I think that YouTube was not necessarily at the top of my list at the time. And so I told myself I would be better taking a break than I would be continuing to put out content during that time. And so I just want to thank everybody for running up my last video, because the last video I posted about 16 days ago, to be exact, has still been going up, has still been getting views, man. So I'm very appreciative of that. And it actually helped me reach my goals. So I will be applying for the YouTube partnership program as of today. And I just want to say thank you to everybody. But that's not why y'all came here today, man. Or maybe you did. You feel me? Because like I say, this channel was about life, it's about culture, it's about sports, it's about fashion. And speaking of fashion, man, I got on my brand new drop from Raw Melon Clothing, man. If you haven't already, click that link in the description box below and go to rawmelonclothing.com, man. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what sizes are left, because this is being day one. We had the pre-order folks, and then we got the late scrambler folks, and we got a little stack over there, man. But I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what sizes are gonna be available. But if you are looking into getting this shirt, it is only 40 bucks, man. Go to the website, man. We're talking $40 for a French terry cotton, crop seamless, beautiful shirt. And if you follow the fashion community, man, you know what type of shirt this is. I'm gonna put it on the screen, man, so you guys can get a better view of the shirt. But it's beautiful. I had to put it on for the video. I had to put it on, gang. So y'all go check me out over there at rawmelonclothing.com, and make sure that you click the link in the description box and go to Raw Melon Apparel over on Instagram, man, and give me a follow, where I'm posting majority of my fashion content and doing things like that over there, man. Just join the community, man. I really appreciate it. But I got another sneaker review for you today. This one was released this past weekend, so I'm finally catching up. The sneaker been sitting here for a while, and it's time to get to it, man. This is probably the third shoe of its kind that I brought to this channel, and I'm interested to see what you guys think about it. I know how I'm feeling about it. Let's get into the review. So I got the box right here, man, and as you can see, man, we have a white Jumpman in the middle of a black box. You know what I'm saying? Pretty smooth, pretty plain, but we do have some black and white, going around the box right here, but mainly this is a black box. Let's read what's inside the box. We have the Air Jordan 6 Retro. The colorway is white and black, and that is a men's size 12. White and black, pretty simple. Top is off of the box, man, and I'm gonna be real. I walked in the store and was able to just grab these, so I didn't have to order them, anything crazy like that. But let's go ahead and pull this out, man. Woohoo! Hey, man, I'm not finna play with y'all, man. What y'all think about that? So we got the Air Jordan 6 Retro right here, black and white, man. And I'm gonna be honest, I know the streets call these shoes different names and things of that nature, but we're just gonna say black and white because that's what the box say. You know what I'm saying? That's what the box say. I read it. Y'all seen the description on the box. And we're just gonna call it black and white because it is a black and white Air Jordan 6, all leather, man. And I'm gonna be real, man. One of the first things that stood out to this shoe as I get into my initial reaction is that the quality of leather on this shoe is fire. It is fire. I'm talking about like premium. This is some premium leather. And the fact that we haven't brought a Jordan 6 to this channel in a long time, I know we did the infrared 6s way back when, if I'm not mistaken, when I first started the channel. And I also, I think I brought another pair of 6s, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember which one, but you got to dig through the archives, man. And I encourage you to, because that helps this channel. You know what I'm saying? When you go back and watch some of the old videos, get them watch time hours up, help your boy get to the next plateau as we go along this journey. But mainly because Jordan 6s, they're hit or miss. I really, really love the 6 silhouette. I think if this shoe would have came out when I was in school, and I always say that a lot because I am an 80s baby. I did grow up during an era where getting every pair of Jordans was like the it thing to do in school. And not only was it that popular thing to do, but you was also gonna be one of the flyest people on campus. As long as you had a fit, as long as you weren't one of them people that just got the shoes and then you was looking bummy at school, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? But the reason I have that connection with just about every silhouette is because of how I grew up. And so this is a shoe that if I was in school, man, for sure everybody would have this on. I personally think people should rock it now. I mean, it's black and white. It's very, very simple. It's not hard to style. And if anything, one downside to this shoe would be all of the white. You know what I'm saying? It is a lot of white, but I mean, it ain't like you about to be running out here playing kickball in your Jordans. Maybe you do, you know what I'm saying? But I wouldn't suggest that you wear them in that way. But if you do, hey, you pay for them, you do what you want to do. But that'll be the only downside is there's a lot of white. But outside of that, man, you got some premium leather on this shoe. The white laces, I believe, I would switch up and do something else because it's just white on white and it's kind of flushing it out. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. What color lace would you switch this out to? This is a shoe that I think I would recommend doing a lace swap on. Definitely 10 out of 10 for sure. We got that black logo right there on the back, the Jumpman with the letters AIR for air right there on the back. Overall, just a beautiful shoe, man. You got that classic air bubble. You got that icy sole mixed with a little bit of black in there and that white Jumpman right there in the middle. Overall, this is a beautiful shoe. Go ahead and grab the second shoe out on what I like to call the quality control segment over here on the Mud Talk Radio channel. And that is where we compare both shoes side by side to look for any type of quality control issues. Anything that would be something that you would need to look out for if you're going to purchase this shoe. Now, I tell people all the time as I get this receipt out here because the retail price on this shoe was $200, $214.50 with tax. You know what I'm saying? But you know you ain't got to pay retail for this shoe, man, because you know the sneaker game right now. Everybody's saying Jordans are dead, Jordan 1s are dead, and you know, whatever. I think they're only saying it because they're not able to make as much profit off of them. I'm talking about they, I mean the resellers, the people that's been ripping people off of shoes. And I get it, it's a business, man, but you know, it is a business that has taken a massive hit lately. And so if you really love shoes and you want to buy them, man, this is a shoe you can go get at a discounted rate. A beautiful, beautiful shoe. But as we do the side-by-side comparison, I immediately look right here on the back and I see a big time scratch and a scuff. Big time scratch and a scuff right there. That's something that I'm not happy about because that's an all white shoe. You know what I'm saying? Like it's gonna stand out. But as far as the leather, man, pretty consistent. Laces, again, all white, man. That's the one thing I will say I probably don't like about this shoe is the all white laces. But overall, man, this shoe looks really, really good. No issues at all. All right, man, so we gotta give you a rating before we get out of here, man. You know, I know some of our previous videos have been a little bit lengthy, a little bit long, you know what I'm saying? But we quick and straight to the point with these, man. I'm gonna be honest, man. I do like this shoe. I do like Jordan 6s. I love the leather on this shoe. I love the simplicity of it. I love the ability to style this shoe because of the simple color pattern that is on this shoe. But The downside is the laces. I don't think that the white laces are working for me. And I'm thinking about Jamie Foxx when I say that. If you're a fan of the Jamie Foxx show, like I am, you know, he always used to do that one thing. He'd be like, it's something about this that's not working for me. You know what I'm saying? I wish I could put that cut in here or that clip without YouTube, you know what I'm saying, doing me dirty. But if you know, you know. If you watch Jamie Foxx, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, man, my rating for this shoe. Hey man, I'm gonna go 7 out of 10, man, for the Air Jordan 6 Retro Black and White, man. Tell me if you think that's too high in the comment section below. Tell me if you think that's too low in the comment section below and why. But as always, man, you know the saying, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.